dalawang to, sa dami na nang nilaro nila against each other, ano pa ba ang pwede nilang gawin na adjustment? Diba? Yun yung magandang panoodin.
Bistadong-bistado na yung isa sa isa.
Bukom-buko na.
Bukom-buko. Samantala, first point is a freebie given to Air Force. You have some numbers yata.
Well, Gonzaga on the second set, 7 points. Yun ang naging factor dun sa Philippine Army. Bunag with 4 points and Sabas Valse, Dakis and Batista all having 2 points each. Sa kabila naman, Caballero with 3, Ortiz and Casas with 3 also. Caballero with 4.
In the meantime, Sabas was beaten to the punch here. It is... Yep, it touched her actually. So it's 2-0.
Ang basurang itinapon mo, babalik sa'yo.
Okay. Bago yun Okay.
Anong ad yun, diba?
Oo nga. Gonzaga. Pasok. Caballero getting her rhythm going here. It's 3-0 Air Force. Shakey's for fun. Family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Well, Tina Salak having 28 excellent sets. Hindi naman nagpapahuli si Makulangan with 22.
3-0 is the count here. Si Makulangan, Bautista, Salak. Gonzaga. I just love it when Jovelyn Gonzaga gets at the top of the toss. Tapos uupakan niya sa tuktok ng bola.
Kaya napakahirap, di ba, sa depensa ng kabila. Why? Because yung angle by which yung palo ni Gonzaga is coming from. Very sharp.
Pablakin mo yung harap ng bola pero ang kuha niya sa taas. So tinalo ka na naman. 4-1 ang bilang natin. Iiling-iling na si Rico Dixman. Axel ang ating official outfitter dito sa Shakey's B-League. Itinaas. Oh!
Ging Balse nagawa pang palusutin yung quick hit. Kahit miss hit na nga ng konti.
2-4. Bunag. Serving. Itong mga sagala natin. Alam nila mahaba itong posisyon na ito eh. Ang paghahandaan nila rito, pangmatagal. Bautista.
Bautista getting it through 2 blockers from the Philippine Air Force. Kahiwalay yung block eh. May distansya.
Ito na ang mga ate nyo. Bunag. Pantino tinaas. Judy Caballero, hinabol ni Tina Balse. Makulangan, tinaas. Cases, huli! Wala na ang bola.
Nobody there for the second ball on the side of the Philippine Air Force. At si Coach Clarence pinapakita na para na reception 101. Digging 101 ang pinapakita ni Coach Clarence.
Si Clarence talaga parang yung kuya mong anong oras ka umuwi kagabi.
And you can see him naman when he's in the huddle.
Yeah.
Pag okay naman ang nilalaro, parang very caring.
In the meantime. Kapos ang palo.
Net block.
Sige, ganito gagawin natin sa next time out. Hindi yung team na behind ang ilalagay natin. Yung team na lamang. Para masabi natin kung ano yung sinasabi pag lamang. Kasi ang tendency natin, yung team na behind, yun ang nilalagay natin. Ngayon, subukan natin kung sino yung lamang. Walang masasabi yun kasi lamang sila eh.
Patuloy nyo lang.
Sige lang, tuloy nyo.
Ginagawa nyo.
Yun. Balse. Balmaceda.
Gadig, Balmaceda.
Nagkagulo sa likod.
Pantino.
I think this is the best game I've seen of Balmaceda, the libero of the Air Force. Is Mary Ann Balmaceda.
Pantino nilagay na naman sa back row. Nobody there for the Philippine Army.
Kung may kasa ang bola nyo, things go well, It's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Regalo. Joust. Tapik-tapik. Naging set. Tama yung bigay ni Joy.
Yes, that's right.
Nagkagulo sa ilalim. 3 ball. Sulit!
Ayan yung kanina pang pinapaabangan ni Coach Clarence kay De Ramos. Yung palo ni Ging Balse. And Tapik getting it right.
Nagulat si Tapik. Si Balse na block. Si Balse na block. Hindi siya makapag-celebrate kasi baka kainin siyang buhay pagkatapos sa susunod na palo ni Ging. Kasi si Ging napaka-competitive, ha?
Oh, yes.
Ito, ayaw niya ipilit. Hello, si Tapik!
And Neneng Tapik putting it at the back.
The shakies really. Ako, miya ka lang. Solve na tayo. Miya ka.
Thanks, Sev. Ito nga sabi ni Coach Rico, nakapansin-pansin daw na during the quarterfinals, ni isang receive, wala daw nakuhang maganda itong Army. Kaya naman daw during practice, nag-focus daw talaga sila sa kanilang libero to bring the energy back pagdating sa receiving. Targahan daw nila lahat ng mga services nila and even did one man pagdating dito sa mga libero. Kaya naman they are hoping that today will be the day that all their efforts will pay off. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much. And again, Jovelyn Gonzaga forgets sometimes that she's on TV, you know? You know?
Wala na, pakilala na. Ano na yan? Free for all na. Tagal na naglalaro dito, ganyan eh. Pero yun namang mga bago, mahalata mo rin na naninibago, di ba? Kaya tayo tuwan-tuwa tayo makita yung mga different reactions sa mga players natin.
Yes, indeed. Bunag, Salak, huwag niyong gagalitin si Jovelyn.
Again, for those little kids trying to learn volleyball, look at that. Hindi naman masyadong mataas yung talon ni Jovelyn, but because of the snapping of the wrist, yung angulo, mabigat pa rin eh. Mabigat kunin dun sa depensa.
Plus an excellent sense of where the ball is going. Right. Nice one-handed set! Sayang! Sayang! Alam ko na kung bakit. Alam ko kung ba't nahirapan si Pantina. Una, kailangan ko ng buwelo eh.
Wala na espasyo. Wala nang runway. Naubusan.
Si Tapik naman, hindi ka pwede magalit kasi yung ngiti niya, Coach, sorry. Eto, may buwelo! May buwelo!
Yun na, pag may naka-lift off, diba? Pag may runway, take off.
Air Force eh.
Oo eh.
10-6 ang ating bilang. Air Force now beginning to dictate the mood of this third set.
Air Force, 4 na atake na. Ang Army with 3.
Bautista. Rhea tumukot. Pantino sa tuktok ng toss. Balse hulog. Lima kulangan. Nabasa. Pantino! Parang kakahiwalay talaga
tayo, that's right.
Lima kulangan.
Both liberos playing really well.
I agree.
Nagkabol na doon si Agno at si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Speaking of Agno, 10 digs na yan si Agno and 7 receptions. Si Balmacedo naman 5 reception at 8 digs.
Ang mahirap kay Rhea basahin yung kanyang sneaky shot. Kasi 2 kamataas niya eh. Si Tina alam ko na eh. Alam ko na kung kailan gagawin ni Tina pero I'm sure it's still hard to stop. Balik ang ginamit ni Tina doon. Siko na. Hindi maitaas yung bola. 12-6 ang bilang natin.
Doble na ang output ng Philippine Air Force dito sa third set against the Philippine Army.
Itong Air Force na buhayan talaga nung dulo nung nanalo sila sa Ateneo. No? Pasok tayo sa semis. And Bautista scores.
And that was just a veteran move there. Nene Bautista twisting her body to get that off the block point. Pinihit eh. Alam mo na mahihirapan yung blocker.
7 serving against 12. And Mary Jean Balse. Pantino. Nicely done. Sabas. Si Sabas parang trump card, ano? Tatago mo lang siya, gamitin mo kung kailan mo gusto miscore ng automatic.
Right, Jeannie Sabas, yung pang iba lang ng diskarte.
Ng balasa. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katulad gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Pantino.
Judy Caballero had her eyes on the ball, pero hindi tinuloy. Once again, commitment eh.
Yep.
Diba? Doon na, kung kunin mo dapat, tuloy mo. Kasi, ayan eh.
Saka walang akala sa volleyball eh. A 6-point lead has been reduced to 3 now. Suddenly frozen itong Air Force. Free ball? Hindi, papaluin ni Cases. Salak. Habang nagkakagulo itong Air Force. Pantino. Bunag. Salak. Overpowering the height of Tapik. Wow!
That was a beautiful play coming from Air Force in spite of Rhea de Maculangan getting the first ball. Judy Caballero from behind. Pumasok talaga. Siguro siya yung auxiliary setter nila. Pumasok at binigay ng maganda kay Pantino.
And Pantino connecting, and this is, I've done a number of Air Force games and you don't see them smiling that often. Pagka ito, yung tamaditis nila, but this one, butas.
Ayan na naman.
Wala kang magagawa rin.
Yung coverage, mukhang nahihirapan dito ang Air Force kasi nilalagay na lamang ng Philippine Army doon sa gitna.
Wala. At saka yung liberal lihis sa pwesto. Nasa dulo pa, nasa service section pa siya. Balmacedan brings it up. Yes indeed.
Mike Ortiz connecting.
Si Ortiz pag pumalo ng kanyang quicks and runnings, parang malakas na suntok ni Pacquiao. Pagkatag!
Umiintay lang ng tamang pagkakataon.
Pagkatag! Salak, huhulog. Hindi lang maitas.
No blocker there for Jeannie Sabas.
Kaya hindi ba sa training, yung drill na para lalong tumaas, yung itadive mo.
Yes.
Huwag kang fall ng plakda.
Oo, dapat hindi mauuna yung higa mo, or yung dive mo.
Yun, kulang ni Pantino yan. Kailangan matuto pa siya ng i-stretch pa siya para tumaas yung bola.
John Bunag.
Ito na si Bunag, pumalabit na.
Easily taking that point at dalawa na lamang ang lamang ng Philippine Air Force.
First time I think I see Balmaceda make a mistake.
Yep, a little bit tentative on that reception.
Hindi niya alam kung ito
kung ano gagawin niya o underhand niya.
That happens. Ako minsan nung araw meron yung prayer shot. Chop na hindi na ginagawa. Sabi ng mga bata, ano pinag-uusapan nila? Ano pinag-uusapan nila?
Ito ba ay pork chop?
Ito, 14-all. Ito na. A 6-point lead is now a bit of ancient history because the Army has now pulled abreast.
Napakabilis nun. Ito sa 6-12.
Lakas.
That's going to be long.
May kumausap kay Tina eh. 15 ang Air Force, Army 14. Unahan sa technical timeout mark. Rhea de Maculangan ang magsaserve. I've seen her grow and we've seen her when she started with UST. Salak. Sabas. Walis. Stretch. Uy.
And a miscue. Dalawang players ng Air Force ang nandun. Ortiz and Cases.
Gusto mamatay ni Clarence.
Sayang
kasi
na
playable,
sayang.
Playable.
Very
Watch
much.
this. Watch this, Bang, tinaas.
It's really more of yung sino bang papalo, di ba? Yung sino kukuha ng second ball na yun.
It's not for a lack of a desire to get the ball. Yung human nature, makatamaan ko siya.
Hindi, tsaka pareho kasi silang spikers So parehong gustong maghanda for their spike.
That's an even better point of view. In the meantime, this lead is completely gone. It's the Army already leading voice. You hear throughout the Coliseum, and it's like the airport in Singapore, actually. A very nice, calming voice.
Without the doorbell.
Yeah, just reminding you where you should be. Caballero, ano nangyari sa Air Force at nagkahiwalay-hiwalay yata? Bunag, walang kapitik-pitik,
Wala. Parang baseball.
Ano nangyari sa Air Force? Ba't naabutan sila?
Wala. Kumbagay na parang gulpi-tigulat ang nangyari dito galing sa Philippine Army. Sinunod-sunod sila ng mabilis na putos. Dahil diba 6-12 yun, tapos biglang-bigla na lang 14-all.
Umiglas yung Army. Hindi naka-score ng Sunod-sunod, 16 all po tayo. Masayang hapon ng volleyball sa inyong lahat. Salak. Balse.
There we go. Ging Balse once again connecting with Tina Salak on that quick hit. Ang Philippine Army meron ng 12 attack points. Ang Philippine Air Force may 8 attack points pero 2 block points na.
Critical third set because the taker of the third set enjoys a 2-1 lead in a best of 5. Topic, huli. Reverse by Di Maculangan. Cases. Here comes Gonzaga.
Jovelyn Gonzaga. Yan ang kailangan din pag-aralan ng mga nag-aaral pa na ng volleyball. Yung isa, kailangan meron kang glimpse dun sa kabilang side dun sa court ng kalaban bago ka umatake. Bago ka umopensa. Kasi katulad dun, ang dali lang eh. Dinala niya lang yung bola where nobody was there to defend it at easy taking.
Agno, good, valiant try. Alam mo sa generation na to, they probably say, take an Instagram and send it around the world. But the nice part is that your peripheral vision, yun ang sinasabi ni Mose. Kailangan, even as you're looking at one direction, your court vision has to be wide.
Tingnan mo lang kung ano ba yung forma ng depensa doon sa kabila.
18-17. A lot of digging on the other side. Di Maculangan says, attack, Pantino. Rhea checking the horizon, goes the other way. Tinaas ni Judy Caballero. Balmaceda said, tamay lang kayo dyan.
Chance for the Philippine Army.
Salak.
That's not enough wrist action.
Alam ko gusto gawin ni Nene ba? End line niya gusto
paabutin. Doon sa likod.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katola gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Joy Cas is all set to serve. We're tied at 18 in a seesaw third set. Reverse ni Salak. Kinargahan ni Gonzaga.
Off the block. Point for Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Our bionic woman who now has colorful kinesio tape. One day she'll just come to the court, balot na balot ng tape.
Pang-camouflage nila yan.
Yeah, ganyan ba yun?
Pagka on duty sila, buong katawan ang meron.
Okay.
Buong katawan ang nakatape.
Lumusot. Agno.
Camo.
Sa kabila, Pantino. Inunahan yung block. Salak. Tinaas ni Cases. Di Maculangan, Pantino. Walang kapaguran to si Pantino. Maiba naman.
Topic, hindi masyado ready for that quick hit. And what a smart play there from Nene Bautista.
It changes the rhythm,
Correct. And that's what you want.
Paluan ng paluan bigla.
Ito sa'yo. Off speed. Alam ni Nene kung anong gagawin niya. Well, beach volleyball player yan. Kaya yung pagdating sa pwesto-pwesto, hindi matatawaran ang galing ni Nene Bautista.
Paluan ng paluan. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato. Diba? In the meantime...
that was a difficult set from Rhea Di Maculangan.
Balse. Sabi niya, bakit buhay pa? In the meantime, hulog. Hinabot. Second touch. Di Maculangan. This is like a boxing match. Pantino long.
Pantino sending it.
Both sides just clawing at each other. Actually, very lethal ito. Kasi parang military teams, Agno. Well done.
Ang ganda naman ng timeout. Yun exactly what Coach Clarence said. Sabi niya, idikit yung set dun sa net. Kasi nahihirapan nga naman si Pantino pagkabuka yung malayo sa set. Malayo sa net yung pagkakaset ng bola. So, that time, Pantino getting the point on that open hit.
Di Maculangan moves out. And Semana and Yonko are in. Caballero also has been drawn out. Salak. Balse. Casas. Binigay kay Pantino ang jumping machine ng Air Force. Balse huli. Salak sa kabilang panig. Bautista. Balmaceda sabi, no problem, Pantino. Sabi ni Gonzaga, ano ka mo? Salak! Dumps it over!
Yan ang dunk. Dunk. Tamang-tama lang yung height ni Tina Salak. And look at this power tip.
Gonzaga, ready,
Look at that. And with an angle, napakahirap kunin.
Yung body language ni Jovelyn, yung ganun yung pagkakaspread ng kamay. Puto. I got it. Oh! Tusok!
Nick Balse getting an ace.
23-19. And Army threatening to take a 2-1 lead, as we remind you that if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Semana. Topic is caught. Semana recycles. Yonko fires!
Oh, nicely done. Yonko getting that. May pagkakapos pa, no? Yung pagkakaset ng open hits. But Yonko getting that last point.
(2023). Bunag, regalo.
Oh, but it's
Outside.
out. So, point goes to the Philippine Army.
And it becomes set point. Ortiz was hoping that it was on the line, but not so. Clarence Esteban will try. No, I thought he'd call a timeout. Here comes Bautista. Semana. Salak. Bunag. Yes! And this third set ends at 25-20. Army now gains a